We know that investing in our workforce and developing people has always been at the heart of good services in Wales. That's why we work with the sector to develop the Middle Manager Development Programme. The Middle Manager Development Programme is for middle managers in social care settings across Wales. The programme will help you develop as a leader, shape social care and deliver better outcomes.
MMDP is the logical next step for anyone who really wants to hone their leadership and management skills. There's a strong focus on strategic management, strategic leadership, that collaborative aspect that comes with the more strategic roles, and partnership working.
It really helped me develop my own leadership skills, to reflect on who I am as a leader, how to develop what are my good points, what are my strengths and what areas I need to develop. And you learn from listening to others and their experiences. I also think it made you think about, so for example, commissioning was one of the topics we learnt a lot about. And I thought, well, I don't do commissioning. I'm a social worker practice, this is what I do. Well, actually, I commission every day. It's just the language around it and the theory behind it that you don't really reflect on yourself and your development, and you just think, oh no, I do this. Oh yeah, and it just helps you, I think, to believe in yourself and develop that confidence and to really know, no, I do this every day. And it's not scary, the theory and what's behind it isn't scary, it's what I do.
You should do the MMDP course if you aspire to be a stronger strategic leader than you already are. And I think you should also do it if you've got an appetite for shaping the social care market, for influencing your providers, but also for supporting and looking after your providers, because we're all working to the same goals.